If you use Opera on more than one device, syncing it properly can save you a ton of time and keep all your bookmarks, history, tabs, passwords, and settings in one place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to synchronize Opera browser across all your devices step by step in a simple and secure way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. In the top right corner of the window, right next to the minimize button, you'll see the profile icon. It usually looks like a gray silhouette or avatar. Click that icon to open your account options. If you already have an Opera account, you'll see a sign-in option. If you do not have one yet, click Create Account instead. Opera will then ask you to enter your email address and create a password. Go ahead and fill that out carefully, making sure you use an email you can access because you may need it for verification later. After that, follow the verification prompt that appears on the screen. This step helps confirm your account and make sure your sync data stays protected. Once you're signed in, click the profile icon again. This time, choose Sync Settings from the menu. This is where Opera lets you control exactly what gets backed up and shared across your devices. To make the process as easy as possible, select Sync Everything. When you turn this on, Opera will sync your bookmarks, browsing history, open tabs, save passwords, and browser settings to the secure cloud. That means if you sign in on another computer or even on a mobile device, you can pick up right where you left off without starting over. This is especially useful if you work across multiple devices, travel often, or just want a smoother browsing experience. If you ever want to check whether sync is active, you can return to the same sync settings area and confirm that everything is enabled. And if you add a new device later, just sign in with the same Opera account and your synced data should begin transferring automatically. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to synchronize Opera browser across all devices so your browsing stays consistent, secure, and easy to access wherever you go. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.